Mosadi tia. Modi wa Lobopo, her name is Thali Mmelekgadi Chaba. Sekao sa pinagare ya setso se kganya se tshwana kopa dilalelo. You used to till the Kalahari plains, a woman with golden hands and a mindless touch. Her wilderness escapes the wrath of extinction. Wings intertwined within the wind, this African fish eagle transcends into heaven. Her every move signed by Yahweh.